Small kitchens can be more difficult to design than, let's say, medium or larger kitchens. And to a certain degree, I like them better because it can set me apart from my competitors or other companies because I'm just good at it. But let me give you a couple little tricks that can help you make your small kitchen more desirable. If you have a peninsula, cut it off. Peninsulas create bulkiness and create separation between the remaining room of the kitchen and the next area that you have. Let's be honest, anytime you have a kitchen, you have something adjacent to it. So the peninsula creates that barrier and really make your kitchen even smaller. It's best to visualize and opt out for a very small island, then keep up the peninsula. The other thing that you may want to consider is adding glass on some of your upper cabinetry because glass is reflective and it also can add the perception of more because when hit with light, it seems to make the space bigger. Getting for example, two cabinets that has glass will create that illusion that your cabinetry or your kitchen is so much bigger than it is. Keep it light, but that doesn't mean that you need to do stereo white. Again, it needs to fit you, it needs to fit the remaining of the house and your lifestyle.